In this video we're going to look at some more features of the advanced filtering feature of Excel. Currently we have a rule up here in our criteria range that selects the business, accounting, and HRM majors, and we're going to add a little bit to that rule. I want just the seniors, and a senior is going to be defined as somebody who has greater than or equal to 90 credits, so I need to put that rule in. Now if I stop right there, and let's actually see what happens if we do that. We'll clear our filter and we'll go back down here and turn on the advanced filter, and we will go over here and select this, and then we will apply the filter, and what I end up with is business majors who have 90 or more credits, but for the accounting majors I'm getting all of them. For the HRM majors I'm getting all of them, and the reason is because when I set up my rule up here, this is one rule, this is another rule, this is another rule, and the only place where I specified greater than or equal to 90 was on the business rule. So if I want seniors, I have to put greater than or equal to 90 on each row. And then let's go back and clear it. Let's do an advanced filter again, and C1 to E4, that's this right here. That's good. Click on OK, and now we're getting what we wanted. These are the senior business majors, this is the senior accounting major, and this is the only senior HRM major. Now everything we've done so far could have been done with a simple auto filter, but we're going to look at an example now that cannot be done with an auto filter. Let's say that what I want is I want the seniors and the sophomores, okay, and we're not going to really be concerned about the major here. We'll just do seniors and sophomores, and seniors is going to be this rule. So a person is not going to be both a senior and a sophomore at the same time, so I'll put a senior rule on this row and I'll put a sophomore rule down in this row, and because they're on separate rows it's as if they were combined with the word or in between them, so I'm asking for seniors or sophomores. So this is going to be the rule for sophomores, and a sophomore is somebody with greater than or equal to 30 credits and less than 60 credits. Well, I can't put two rules in here in the same box, and I can't put less than 60 down here because that makes it a separate rule. I want both of those to be true. So what I have to do in this case is I have to copy the column heading for credits over here and paste it in, and then add another rule on the same row for my sophomores. And now when I want to apply my advanced filter, okay, the data area is correct, and now let's go up here and select this. We don't care what the ID number is. So what I'm saying is I want somebody whose credits are greater than or equal to 90 or greater than or equal to 30 and less than 60. Okay, and let's click on OK here. And now if I look at my list, there were 8 seniors on the list and there were 22 sophomores on the list, and we'll sort these by credits here to make it a little bit easier to see what's going on. And these are my 8 seniors, and everybody else down here should be a sophomore. These numbers for credits should all be between 30 and 60, including 30 but not including the 60. So if you remember what the box looked like in the auto filter, you can only put in 2 relational criteria here, and if you need more than that, like we do in this case, the only choice is to do an advanced filter.